L-imħallef Rosemary Aquilina għamlet is-sema għalija madwar id-dinja meta fi frar tas-sena li għaddiet ikkundannata għal 175 sena ħabs lil Larry Nassar, l-eks tabib tat-tim Olimpiku Amerikan tal-ġinnastika li kien instab ħati bl-abbuż ta' aktar minn 160 vittma, inkluż diversi minuri. Il-fama internazzjonali li kisbet waslita biex ġiet fdata b'uħud mill-aktar każi komplikati. Iżda minkejja dan l-imħallef Aquilina tibqa' kburija li hija Maltija u li qed terġa' żżur pajjiżna.
Like I'm back home, like I'm back with my grandparents who have passed, but I feel them. I cook Maltese, I live Maltese, and my grandparents, they're ingrained in me. And they taught me so many stories, and so did my father.
Minkejja li missiera, il-professur Joseph Aquilina emigra snin ilu, il-legat tal-familja tagħha f'pajjiżna jibqa' ħaj anke fl-arti li hu u nagħmluha għamlu għal diversi knejjes madwar pajjiżna, inkluż f'dawk tal-Mosta u l-Qrendi. Matul is-snin il-valuri Maltin li missiera għaddiela igwidawha wkoll fil-karriera u ħallew il-frott tant li llum hija tokkupa fost l-ogħla gradi tal-ġudikatura.
I tell everybody I'm Maltese. People wonder how I think and who I am and why am I different, and it's because of Malta. It's because of the values that we have as Maltese. It's because it's about family, community, God, country, and treating everybody as a human being and listening. And when they ask me, why do you spend the time? Why do you listen? Because that's what we do as Maltese. We listen, we fight, but at the end of the day we're still together.
Waqt il-proċess fil-konfront ta' Nassar, Aquilina spikkata l-asserzjoni tagħha u saħansitra kienet semmiet lil pajjiżna.
I came to this country stateless. I'm naturalized. My father's Maltese, my mother's German, and I was raised on old country values.
L-għada ta' sentenza, Net News kien l-ewwel li tkellem ma' Mr. Rosemary fejn ripetutament ftaħar li huwa baqa' Malti anke fl-Istati Uniti.
We live in America, but we live as a Maltese people. We go to church and we say the prayers.
Il-Maġistrat Aquilina hija l-mistiedna speċjali tal-edizzjoni ta' din is-sena tal-Fira tal-Ktieb fejn fost l-oħrajn kellha l-opportunità li tiltaqa' u taqsam l-esperjenzi tagħha ma' avukati Maltin. Ma' Net News hija twassal messaġġ b'mod speċjali lil familji Maltin biex iħadnu l-valuri tal-familja il lura fl-Istati Uniti baqgħet tgħix mal-ġenituri tagħha.
Stand tall, keep working hard, it does pay off, and go back to those family values that we've always had. I think that something gets lost in the translation as we have the younger and newer generation, but to preserve our culture, sit together as a family, talk, treat each other with respect. For those who are young, bring your parents into your home. Don't put them in the nursing home. I have done that. That's the Maltese tradition. We stand together, we stand firm, we stand strong, we use our voices, and we matter. And we show the world that this little country changes the world. I change the world because I'm Maltese, because I'm stubborn, because I have a voice. And that's what Malta stands for.
Matthew Mamo għal Net News.